I'm loving the color. I'm actually thinking about coloring my hair the color of the honey brown highlights. This is a color that I have been thinking about for a while, and I need something new. I need a new look. I need a new feel. I love me some dark hair. Y'all know I love me some big hair. And this is super freaking cute. The curls are very soft, super defined, nice and juicy. It's almost completely dry. I want to say we're about at 90% dry. So this is basically what it looks like once it has dried. So once it fully dries, it's going to stay in this state because I didn't want to expand it too much. But yeah, I really like it. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see you babes in my next video.
I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.